Hello everyone! Today let's make a rainbow taro Swiss roll. Creamy taro cream filling with soft and fluffy chiffon cake are the perfect combination. Let's peel the taro root first, and then cut it into cubes. And steam for about 25 minutes until it can be poked through easily with a chopstick. We will add some dragon fruit for a pretty pink tone. Poach your dragon fruit for a couple seconds to make a puree. Smash the steamed taro with a rolling pin or fork, adding milk and pureed dragon fruit. And then add in the whipping cream and sugar. Combine it well with a mixer. If you like smoother texture, use a blender to blend it up a little bit. Whip up the whipping cream with some sugar until it starts to ribbon. Add in some taro mixture and mix it until the cream is stiff. Sift the cake flour into the oil and mix it into a paste. Add in your milk and mix well. Next, let's separate our eggs. I like to separate one egg at a time in a small bowl first. This way, if any egg breaks during the later process, it won't ruin your egg white. Mix the yolks well into your flour and paste. The egg yolk texture should be smooth and slightly thick. Next, let's whip up the egg white. Add the sugar gradually and whip up on high for a couple of minutes until the meringue starts to form streaks. Turn down your mixer speed to low to medium and continue to mix until it forms soft peaks. Now let's give the cake some color you like. Divide the yolk mixture into 4 bowls and add 1 drop of food coloring to each bowl. Mix it well. We're adding the color to the egg yolk instead of the egg white to prevent the meringue from deflating. The purple mixture might need more drops because of the yellow color offset. Fold your egg white gently into your colored egg yolk mixture. Make sure you use 4 spoons so the color don't get mixed up. Pour the mixture into piping bags. clip the bag for easier control when piping. Cut a very small hole and squeeze the batters into your cake pan in order. If you have extra batter, you can squeeze another layer on top. Tap the cake pan a couple of times to remove air bubbles. Bake your cake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it starts to brown a little bit. Take the cake out and tap once, and then cover it with a piece of parchment paper and flip it. Peel off the bottom parchment paper. Doesn't it look like a rainbow? Once the cake has cooled to room temperature, we can spread the taro cream filling onto the browned side of the cake. Pick up the parchment paper gently and roll the cake up. Use a rolling pin to squeeze the cake roll a little bit. This will make the cake roll round and tight. Refrigerate for 30 minutes before cutting and serving. After 30 minutes, let's check it out. Cut the end of the cake roll for better presentation. There you have it, a beautiful and super delicious rainbow cake roll. Like and comment if you have any questions.